Step into magazine-style luxury with this beautifully updated, first-floor condo. Centrally located, in a quiet tree-lined community. This spacious and bright, split-bedroom open floor plan has been renovated end-to-end with LifeProof luxury flooring, energy-efficient recessed LED lighting, new plantation blinds, freshly textured walls, and new trim and doors throughout. Your show-stopping kitchen has been completely remodeled with unique leathered finish marble countertops, a stunning mirrored glass subway tile backsplash, and gorgeous new, ProCraft, dovetail, soft close designer cabinetry. All brand new, high-end stainless steel Samsung appliances include a Family Hub smart refrigerator that streams your favorite content, helps you plan meals, manage schedules, and stay connected from its massive 21-inch touchscreen door. Grab a wine glass from the custom stemware rack and open a bottle from the new dual-zone NewAir wine and beverage fridge in your elegantly designed wet bar that is perfect for entertaining. Then have a seat in the spacious living room and dining area. Or relax on the peaceful screened lanai. Your generous master suite awaits. With room for a king-size bed. And a spacious, custom-designed walk-in closet. The exquisite ensuite bathroom boasts a stylish shower, with frameless glass enclosures, modern fixtures, and a Carrara marble look, with a waterfall glass tile feature, as well as a beautiful, extra-wide dual sink vanity and plenty of storage. This unit also features a completely renovated guest bedroom and guest bath. Along with a spacious private laundry room with a full-size washer and dryer, and a private indoor storage unit. This serene park-like community is handsomely landscaped, pet-friendly, and highly walkable, and offers low HOA dues. It's just steps from the community pool and reserved covered parking.